Wait, Anthony, wait!
Dingle Hopperz.
Yo, why do you want to go see this battleship so bad? Why? It does look pretty legit though. That's not a battleship, that looks like a crane.
And this looks like a Dingle Mom.
Hello, Dingle Crane.
And Anthony.
Yeah.
So I got a new fidget spinner on a new fidget spinner from
The store.
From the store. So
All right, let's go check this thing out.
Wait.
Wait. I think this is the one that we're going to see.
We're on. So that's the one.
All aboard!
Dad, look at this.
Wait, what is it? Go! What up, peeps? I'm on my favorite board ship. This is so dope, dude. Look, we got a plane behind us.
Okay, guys, this sign says no people going.
It actually says this area is closed for private event, but pretty close. Wait, is that Dingle Mom up there? How did she get up there? Oh my gosh! Calm down!
Wait, Daddy, is this the movie Typhoon?
Oh, it is. Psych! No, it's not. This is a battleship, not a Titanic ship.
No, it is Titanic.
Peep this thing. This is like humongous. There's legit bullets and everything you can shoot from every direction. Look. Look. Boom. 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 That's water. It's like stuff everywhere. It's crazy. Imagine being on this ship, right? And you're sitting there, you're patrolling, you're looking over the water, and you're like, iceberg ahead. Are you gonna be able to shoot it down? Nah, I don't know. But what I would have done was, I would have shot it down.
Daddy, another guy.
Dude, it's so hot. How can these people survive on this boat?
I know.
I get it.
Hot.
Just kidding.
It's hot.
No, seriously, it is so hot outside. Where's Anthony? Oh, there you are. Climb in. It's a string.
It's a string.
Come on, I'm gonna follow you in. Go, go, go. I'm gonna go then. Move. Ugh. Ah. Ah. So I think I'm in like an engine room, right?
Yeah.
This legit looks like an engine room.
Okay. Oh my God, I'll get these in my motor.
You're gonna get those when you're older? What are they?
Keys. Keys.
This is actually really tight down here. No, seriously, look. I got.
Daddy, can I go past this?
No. So, am I on the other side of danger?
Hey, could you
Nope.
please?
I'm not getting in trouble.
See you later.
Alright, peace out, Dingle Mom. You walked into a wall. Bye, Anthony. So, can you tell me how to get to the whale boat? Alright, looks like we're going up. You coming up? Can you do the stairs?
I don't know.
Let's go.
We'll be with you.
Go. These stairs are so steep. Whoa.
No, I'm scared.
Shh. Who is that? You been on here before? You know your way around this boat?
Oh, I didn't
You
think
think you're a pro or something?
No, where'd you guys go?
Apparently up every single step they have on this boat. Ooh, it's getting dark in here. Whoa, what is this? Let me see you crawl into this little space here. Let's go.
Is this the best time to mention that I'm claustrophobic?
Be careful.
Yeah, it's actually perfect timing. Let's see if we can all climb in.
Tight squeeze.
So as you can see, we are in a tight little fit here. Ow!
Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works for me.
Where's Anthony? Anthony!
Where is he?
Anthony!
What is this?
Boy!
That's a secret hideout.
Oh no, who's gonna jump out first?
No.
No one's jumping out.
Go. Now you're making me nervous.
You're
Anxiety.
making me nervous.
You're making me nervous.
You know, we didn't go up top though. We had to go up still more. So this area is the signal bridge. So that's the flag hoist. You gotta send the letter L. Alright, show me how would you do it. Ah, touche, you're hired.
Thank you.
Come on. She said if she goes into labor, we're not going to labor, we're going to the top part of the ship. Doesn't make any sense. Let's go, let's go.
Let's go here.
Move. So mommy, move.
Mommy, move.
I'm 8.5 months pregnant. Give me a second.
Jeez.
Guys, look it says no going, people going there. It's
Wet
pink.
Wet pink. Welcome to the Dingle Hopperz home tour. This is our deck view. If we walk over here, you have our family room that goes upstairs. If you look in here, we have the master bedroom. Love it. It's kind of where I go to lay and kind of just relax and think about the day and gather my thoughts. Pretty dope. We have a viewing room. Look at the view, you guys. It's crazy. We're just still so far back. It's from the front of the ship. Hello, Capitan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're the sir. I'm just the person that's attending. All right. Open your eyes. Iceberg! Yeah!
Ahoy.
Nope, nobody cares.
Wow, that's me.
That concludes our house tour. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out, everybody. Peace. Just kidding. We are still a long ways away from the rest of the boat. And Dingle's already given up on us, and Anthony, I don't know what he's doing, but because we can't keep losing him. Chase this! Jump!
Jump. Ready?
Right,
3.
come on. You don't gotta walk.
3,
1, 2, 3.
2,
1,
1.
2, 3. 1, 2. Right there, Braveheart. You think you're gonna jump?
No.
Let me see you jump the ship.
Jump the ship.
Oh, scared. Oh, look at my canoe.
Look at my canoe.
Look at my canoe. My canold. Get it? Con-old. Alright, you guys, so this concludes our world tour of the boat. It's her fault because she's pregnant. She doesn't want to keep walking around. She wants to just relax or whatever you call it.
Yeah.
Oh, but before we go, I gotta do this. Wait, Anthony, wait! I gotta do this. Peace out, boat. Next time, we'll see you again. Peace out, everybody. Peace.